Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can turn on text index cursor or text indicator cursor on Windows 11. So it will be like this. So this is like see, there is a blink border or blink line. This is the text indicator or text cursor indicator. So you can make it larger or you can color it by go to the settings, and here you can click on accessibility, and here there is a text cursor option, appearance and thickness text cursor indicator. Here we go. This is the example. Use the text cursor indicator to make your text cursor stand out in a sea of text. Here's a preview of your change. So if you turn this on, and you can adjust the size. This is the preview. As you, so this is the smaller, and you can try to slide into the small or the larger based on your preferences, and also you can change the color of it. Yeah, for example, if you turn this on, if it will be like this. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, or click the button below. See you in the next video.